The brave little turtle. Once upon a time, in a beautiful, serene pond, there lived a little turtle named Timmy. Timmy was small and shy, but he was also very curious. He loved exploring the pond and meeting other animals. However, Timmy was afraid of one thing: crossing the big, busy road that lay beyond the pond. One sunny day, Timmy's friend, the wise old frog named Fred, told him about a new, delicious kind of berry that grew on the other side of the road. Fred said, "Timmy, these berries are the sweetest and juiciest you will ever taste. You should try them." Timmy was very excited and wanted to try the berries, but he was also very scared. The road was always busy with big, noisy cars zooming past. "Don't worry, Timmy," said Fred. "You just need to be brave and careful. Wait for the right moment when there are no cars, and then cross quickly." Timmy decided to give it a try. The next morning, he gathered all his courage and slowly made his way to the edge of the road. He waited and waited, watching the cars zoom by. His heart was pounding, but he remembered Fred's advice. Finally, there was a moment when the road was clear. Timmy took a deep breath and hurried across as fast as his little legs could carry him. When Timmy reached the other side, he was so happy and proud. He found the bushes with the delicious berries and enjoyed a wonderful feast. The berries were the sweetest he had ever tasted. Timmy realized that being brave didn't mean not being scared. It meant facing your fears and overcoming them. Timmy brought some berries back to share with Fred and the other animals. They all praised Timmy for his bravery and enjoyed the tasty treat together. The news of Timmy's bravery spread throughout the pond, and he became a little hero among the animals. Days passed, and Timmy continued to cross the road to gather more berries. Each time he crossed, he felt less afraid and more confident. He even started helping other small animals cross the road safely. Timmy taught them to be patient, wait for the right moment, and then cross quickly but carefully. One day, while helping a little rabbit cross the road, Timmy noticed a car approaching fast. He quickly pushed the rabbit forward and made it safely to the other side, just in time. The rabbit was grateful and hugged Timmy tightly. Timmy felt proud and happy that he could help others. From that day on, Timmy was known as the brave little turtle who faced his fears and helped others. He continued to explore, learn, and enjoy the wonders of the pond and the world beyond the road. Timmy had learned that true bravery comes from within, and that even the smallest creatures can do great things. And that was the brave little turtle. Now it's time for a little quiz. Let's see how well you remember the story. Here are 3 questions for you. What was Timmy afraid of? Who told Timmy about the delicious berries? How did Timmy feel after he crossed the road? Please write your answers in the comments below. I can't wait to see your responses. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to I Learn English Through Story for more fun and educational stories.